Oh my god, no way. Are you the coding poet? Whoa, guys, calm down. I'm a huge fan. Can I get your autograph? Wait. Didn't you forget to add gameplay in your pet game thing, the latest video? What? Yeah, you didn't even show any gameplay, even though the whole video was about you making the game. You know I can still see you, right? Like, you're right there.
Oh, I thought you could. Let me just play the game now.
In my previous video where I showed you the devlog of how I made my terminal pet thing, I forgot to actually include footage of me playing the game itself. So I wanted to make another video demonstrating what my thing could actually do. So you guys could see all the effort that I actually did put into the project. So when you start off the file, as in the game itself, it'll bring you to this menu. It'll ask you to choose your pet species. Okay, let's pick a cat. A name. Let's think. I need the most creative, the most unique name ever. Let's go with Tyrone. Is that okay? No. Jimmy Cricket.
My man, where's my man? Where's my man?
Cricket. Okay, I think that's how you spell it. Should be. Welcome to Terminal Tamagotchi. Your pet is quite needy and must be taken care of. As hours pass, its stats will dwindle and must be replenished by playing with it and feeding it. Oh Lord. It's too fast, I couldn't even read it. But it's okay. So, I missed it, but you would have seen it, the pet waking animation that I included. And this is the menu that you will see when you start off. And we would press enter to interact with it first. Wow! Okay, there we go. So we have multiple options. We have feed. Let's go one by one. Let's start with feed. Let's see. How do you want to feed your pet? We have feed Python code, feed poetry, fishing, bug catcher, cooking time. Let's try poetry. Okay. Feeding with poetry. Longer, vivid, descriptive poems make your pet happier. Enter your poem. I gotta lock in for this. Let's see. Oh, Jimmy, my Jimmy, you give me a finny fever in my belly. Alliteration here, or something, no, rhyming. You give me a silly feeling. Largely due to unknown diseases. Boom. I bet you, like, this is the most poetic sentence I've ever seen in my life. And let's see how much he gives me. 16 hunger and 20 mood. That's a lot. And see, the cat gives a bit of a tail wagging animation. Let's feed. Let's try one of the other ones. Maybe let's do some. Oh, cooking timer. Okay. AD to move, space to take off. Okay. Let's see. We can move this around. Okay. And when it comes green, we must take it off. Green. Boom. I'm Flash, man. Don't mess with me. Okay, level 2. Let's see. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Okay. Don't mess with me. I'm telling you. I've been practicing this game for who knows how long. Oh Lord. Wait. Oh. Okay, I still got quite a lot from that. You know, maybe I could have knocked down the amount of hunger it gives me because I'm almost full already. But whatever, it is what it is. Okay, so we explored feed now. Let's go through play a bit. Let's see. Let's do a reaction tapper. Let's see how fast my reflexes are. Woo! Enter. Okay, there we go. Okay. Boom, let's go. Okay, there we go. Boom. 0.4 seconds. I'm slow as hell though. I'm gonna only show a few of the things here because I want you guys to explore it for yourself. But we have 12 credits. I'm poor. Oh snap. Yeah. Upgrades, guys. Upgrades. Welcome to the market. We have the Ultra Food Cube. We have DNA Twister, Cupcake, Steak, Glow Tree. Your pet starts glowing. I want that. Damn. I can only afford the cupcake.
Broke people should never laugh.
Damn. Okay. So I think at this point, I'm gonna lock in a bit and let's play some games so we can earn some credit. Let's do the reaction thing again. Let's go. That's the same thing I got last time. What can I say? Age is catching up to me. I'm old. I can't be doing this stuff anymore. Let's try typing speed actually. Type the word exactly as fast as you can. Okay, let's see. I'll slow down. Okay. 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 Boom. So, okay, another one. Who stopped? Who stopped? No. No. Damn. Oh, after 30 credits. Okay. Let's buy the glow tree. Hopefully this goes well. I'm pretty sure I tested it out already. Let's go to inventory. Yeah, see, it popped up now. Inventory, and give it the glow tree. Your pet is glowing for the next hour. Oh, there we go. You might be a bit confused on why it looks like that, but hey, it's glowing. Am I wrong? I'm never wrong. Yeah, it's glowing now. See? Now our cat is happy because his mood is 100%, its hunger is high, it's high. My cat is high. We have 12 credits. Let's see if I can afford. Oh, the glow tree is sold out. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's sold out. Let's try getting a cupcake this time then. Cupcake is only 8 credits. It's cheap. And it gives 10 hunger. That's not a lot. But okay, there we go. Feed it. There we go. The cupcakes I feed. Give it. It increases it. And boom. But yeah, that's a basic run through of the game I had made and spent hours on. It might look a bit simple right now, but honestly, it took hours and hours of effort, and I appreciate all the support you guys give me. And head on over to the GitHub to check out yourself, and you can play and have your own pet and do whatever with it. And yeah, I hope you guys like how it looks like, and see you next time.
Wait. Yeah, you didn't show any gameplay. Why won't this restart?
Okay, let me show you a bit of the logic. You might be like, oh, what happens if I'm stupid? Ultra Food Cube.